Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. It's El Cherie here again with another video, and we're continuing on with the all natural regimen hair care series. So if you watched part 1, we did the Bentonite Clay Mask, and part 2 is going to be an all natural deep conditioner, avocado and honey to be exact. So here is what you will need. 1 avocado. This can be a large or small size. You can always make extra and freeze it for later. 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil and 1/4 cup of raw organic honey. So I've split my avocado in half, and usually I just twist it apart, scoop out one side, carefully removing all of the meat of the avocado. I do that until I can't get any more out, you guys. I'm serious about my avocado here. Then I go on to the other side, removing the pit first and scoop out the rest. So you want to get it really mashed up well here. I go in with a fork. You can also use a food processor or a blender to get it even smaller. You want to get the chunks really small because you don't want it stuck in your hair later. Guys, I really eyeballed this, so it's not an exact science. You may find that the 1/4 cup of olive oil and the 1/4 cup of honey might be a little bit too much, so I would just add as you see fit. Really, you want to get a good consistency that's not super runny, that you can apply to your hair, that looks like what your typical, over-the-counter store-bought conditioner would look like. And so what I do, instead of using my blender, I just decide to go in with a whisk and just whip it real good. Whip it real good. Dun, 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 dun. Now, so I just get it to a nice consistency, and it kind of resembles like yogurt, or maybe like a pudding almost, but that's what you're looking for. And I go back in there with a fork, and that is it. You see how fast and easy that was, you guys? And the best part is the amino acids, fatty acids, phytosterols, and antioxidants like vitamin E in avocados are really good for our scalp and hair shaft. You guys, avocado oil is one of the few oils that actually penetrate the cuticle and moisturize your hair. Historically, they've even found that they used avocado in ancient Egypt to prevent hair loss and as a natural moisturizer. For more information on the benefits of all the ingredients I used in the mask, go ahead and check out my latest blog post. Now, you'll want to apply the mask just like any other deep conditioner. Apply a plastic cap over your head, and you can let it sit overnight. It's really up to you, but the longer the better. And this is just a quick shot, you guys. The avocado mask is currently in there in my hair, but you can see all the moisture and shine reflecting off of it. That is amazing. That's all I have for you guys. This was going to be a quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, hit that like button and definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed. Stay tuned for the next part in this series. We're going to be getting into all natural styling products. As always, thank you for watching.